It's Kendall, and today I'm going to be bleaching this hair. Now I'm going to be doing a bleach bath because honestly that is the only way I bleach my hair now. After I do all the bleaching process to my hair, I am going to be dyeing my hair purple. So my main goal for today is to get rid of the pink that is in my hair since I've dyed it pink previously. I will link that video in the cards and the description if you want to go check that one out. But I also want to fix how much brown there is. I feel like I may have done it unevenly around my entire head. So I just kind of want to fix that. And you can see that there are definitely some darker parts going into the pink. I don't know how well it's coming up on camera, but when I look at my hair, I can tell that there's some brown parts that are going into the pink that just didn't really lighten the best. This piece right here is a prime example. You can see it's a bit darker than the piece before it. So that is just an issue of it didn't lighten enough because I had, I don't even know how many times I dyed my hair black before I ended up bleaching. So, bit of a process. The bleach I'm using is the Redken Blonde Dimensions. It's actually my current favorite bleach. I used to use the Redken up to 7. You've probably seen it on my channel before. I'm going to be using 30 volume developer. I don't know how smart of an idea this is because I already have previously lightened hair, but I would really like to get more of the brown bits lightened, and that's kind of the goal for this bleaching process, is to get the brown parts lightened and to remove the pink color in my hair. The shampoo and conditioner I'm using, the brand really isn't that important, but in case you are curious as to what exactly is going into my bleach bath, I'm going to be using some Function of Beauty shampoo, and I also have some El Patron conditioner. I'm going to start with 3 scoops of the lightener into my bowl. I'm going to be adding a little bit of 20 volume. It really isn't that much. That's why I didn't include it when I was telling you the products, but I'll show you how much that gets in there. Actually, that's more than I thought it was going to be. Here's what the mixture looks like when it's just the lightener and developer. So this is only the bleach. No shampoo or conditioner has been added to this. I'm going to stick with that consistency, and I'm going to add some of the shampoo. 1, 2, 3. That was half. So 5. We're going to go with 5. As you can see now, the consistency is thinner. We're going to add our conditioner. 1, 2, 3. Just want to check the consistency after 3. 4, we're just going to go with 5, like I did on the shampoo, even though those were way bigger pumps on the conditioner. But alright, so here's the mixture. I put my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to start with the section that is out, and then I'm probably going to move on to this section, because there are some pieces that are still dark that I really want to get rid of. I'm almost debating just lightening all of it and then getting some black hair dye and just doing my roots. I just finished applying all of the lightener. I covered it in a shower cap because heat helps process lightener faster. I'm probably going to leave this in for 50 minutes. I'm going to check on it, of course, every like 10-15 minutes just to make sure I'm not overdoing it. But we will see what it looks like when I come back. Here's what my hair looks like after the bleach bath. As you can see, it got rid of a lot of that brown. It is very blonde and yellow, but that was kind of expected, so it's okay. We're going to deal with it when we do the purple. Hopefully the purple will work over this, but we will see in the next video. So if you guys want to see me dye my hair purple, then click the card above. Click the link in the description box. I'm going to be posting that video a week after this one. So if you want to know the moment it comes out, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you will be notified when that video is out. But anyways, that is all for this video. If you guys liked it, then give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, tell me if you've ever done a bleach bath, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!